Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time you are listening to me. Welcome back to my video. This is Henry's Family TV again. Alright, so this morning now I'm going to show you how I'm going to bake some chicken. Alright, so I washed my chicken already, you can see. I washed my chicken already, so I'm going to season it and let you see. Alright, and I'm going to bake it with some guava sauce. This is my guava. I'm going to blend it and show you how I do it with my ketchup. So I'm going to mix the guava and the ketchup together to make the sauce on my chicken. Alright, so I'm going to show you everything that I'm doing, but I washed already. So this is my seasoning. This is my Maggi seasoning, all purpose. Alright, so watch as I go. You can see my chicken. Alright, and a little ginger. And you put whatever seasoning you want on your chicken. I don't use a lot of sauce. No, I don't use a lot of seasoning. Alright, but I may use a lot of sauce on it, but not much seasoning. And this is my cayenne pepper. And this is my rosemary, thyme, and cloves. I boil it and I'm going to throw it on it. Alright, not much though. Like this. Alright. Do it like this, and you can cover it and shake it together. Alright, this is my chicken. And over here is my baking tray. So I'm going to put my tray. I don't need to put it. Alright, so this is my chicken now. So you put whatever seasoning you want to put on it. Okay? So watch as I go. So I turn on my oven already and it's there preheating. So this is it. And you can put it to marinate. Let's see. And I'm going to put it with a little rice, but I'm not going to focus much on the rice this morning. I'm going to show you how I do my guava baked chicken. So I'm going to blend my guavas. You can see I bought it at the store. This is my guava, so I'm going to blend it. Go up right here. That's my guava juice. Alright. Alright guys, so this is my guava juice. So I'm going to mix it with some of the ketchup. You can see. Alright, so I'm going to put my chicken in now. See? Then I'm going to keep this for later. So my oven is all hot. Guys, my subscribers and viewers, welcome to my baking guava chicken. Alright, so I'm going to put it in. But let me tell you something, guys. There is no, my bulb has been blown in my oven, so I have to get a new bulb. So you cannot see in the oven, but I will take it out and put it on the stove and let you see. So here I go. I put mine in here. Alright. Thanks for watching, my viewers and my subscribers. Watching my guava baked chicken. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, welcome back. Over here, I'm not really focusing on cooking my rice and peas, but I'm just showing you because I'll cook my peas already. You can see I cook my peas, but it's not really this I'm really about today, right? My peas and my coconut all season, but I said let me just show you my rice part, but it's not really this what I'm focused. So I already washed my rice, so I'm going to put in my rice here. All right, just a little rice and peas. So next time I show you how I cook it, but let me just show you what I'm doing here. And my chicken, alright, so I scrape out the bottom of my rice here. You can see. But my focus is on the baked chicken, not the rice. Alright? I'm just showing you what I am doing over here. Alright? So I have my pepper. Finally got a pepper. My scallion, my pimento, rosemary, cloves, and my peas. You can see? Alright. But this is not the real factor about the cooking today. It's my baked chicken. I'm just taking some lunch to work. Alright, so that's it for my rice and peas. Next time I show you how I cook it. Alright, so there you go. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. My viewers, my subscribers, thank you very much. It's a blessing. Alright, thank you. Have a blessed day and watch as I proceed. You can see my chicken there. I'm going to turn it for you. Okay. I say there's no light in there. Okay. Alright, so it's super color. See my rice and peas. All right, although this is not the focus, but I'm still showing it to you. Okay then, thank you for watching again. Please tell a friend to tell another friend. Guys, you can see my guava getting a little color now. All right, and remember, if you are watching or you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Alright, all my listeners, my watchers, make a comment, please. Make a comment. Alright, so I'm going to put it back in the oven. Okay. Look at my chicken. See, getting its color. And it will take like half an hour or even 45 minutes, okay, to bake. See, getting a little bit of color. All right, so watch as I go. You can see my chicken, my viewers and my subscribers. You can see it's getting its color now. So I'm going to make, I give it another 15 or 10 minutes. So I'm going to make some sauce for it. All right, watch as I go. And this is my rice. Can you see my rice over here? This is my rice pot. Okay, coming up. It's not really the focus on the rice, but my chicken. guys, my chicken is almost finished. So over here I have the rest of my guava here. I'm going to make the sauce. Okay, so I'm going to put some ketchup on it. And over here I have my seasoning for my sauce. So see, I have my pot on the stove already. So I'm going to pour it in and let it stay. See my pot here? It's a bit, you can see. I'm going to put my sauce in it. So this is my guava and ketchup. I can put a little browning in it to give it another darker color. You can see? So I'm going to let it stay there and boil a bit. Need some more guava. No oil. You can put your butter in it, but no oil. You can put oil in it, but I'm not going to put any oil in it. It's just the guava sauce. You can put a little bit more ketchup. Today is oil-free day. No oil, no margarine, nothing. Alright, so let me turn up the oven, the stove. And my chicken is there. Okay, you can see? You can stay there and boil. So guys, I'm making my sauce now. So I'm going to tip a little bit of browning in it. Just a little bit of browning. Let me see. Alright. And I'm going to put some ginger in it. You see? Also, I'm going to put some Maggi seasoning. And you put whatever spice you want to put in it. Okay? And this is my seasoning. Can you see? Scallion, tomato, and my onion and green pepper. Alright. So if you need a bit more coloring in yours, no problem. You can see. And you cook to your taste, and you put whatever spice or whatever you want. I'm going to put some cayenne pepper in it. Just a little cayenne pepper. And let me know if you ever tried this. And tell me where you're watching from. That's my cayenne pepper. Tell me where you're watching from. Alright, see? Make it a little bit spicy. Where are you watching from? You can see. This is my cloves, rosemary, and thyme water. All right. Put a little bit more ketchup in it. So my viewers and subscribers, this is my sauce. All right. And over here now, this is my guava. You can see, all cooked. You can see, guys. You can see. All right. You can see. So I'm going to share. Put some in my. I'm going to put some in a plate and show you. All right. So you see a lot of oil you get from it when you bake. A lot of oil. All right. So watch as I go. So over here now is my finished guava baked chicken, no oil. All right. So you can try it. So and this is the rest of it with a lot of oil in it. You can see there are a lot of oil. All right. So this is my guava baked chicken. Guava, and I turn it into sauce to make my chicken. All right. Tastes very good, and you put whatever sauce you want to put on it. All right. But you can try it with the guava and let me know how it tastes. Okay, guys. And this is my finished rice. This is not really the focus of the cooking, but I'm just showing you my finished rice and peas and my finished meat. Alright, guava baked chicken. Alright, see you around next time. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Alright, you have a blessed day. And remember to tell a friend to tell another friend.